What's up, art fans? My name's Jesse and I'm an artist out of Phoenix, Arizona, and today I'm coming to you from inside my studio where we're going to be painting fans and only fans.
What? That's crazy.
Take that how you will, but what I really mean is fan blades.
Wow.
So my client came to me with an interesting project. She wants to update a few of the spaces across her home, and a really good way she thought to do that was going to be with these white fan blades that are not really doing a whole lot as far as design goes in each one of her rooms. So we've got 3 rooms, each with a fan that has 5 blades for a total of 15 blades. We're gonna get started by getting these bad boys washed with a little bit of warm soapy water, then we can get the sketch design down, and we can start by doing my favorite part, which is the color. Really excited to do this one because it's a project that I haven't done before, and you know I love trying new things. So yeah, what are we waiting for? We got a lot of work to do and not a lot of time to do it, so let's go. Okay, so we've got the sunflowers all sketched out for this section of the project. I did it using the same method as before, where I lined everything out using pencil, then I drew directly on that with marker and erased all of my ugly marks using a magic eraser. So this one's a little bit different in that I grouped all of the panels together, making it a bit of a quintyptych, if you will. Unlike the bamboo where I painted each panel separately, this one kind of all flows together and I'll paint it all as one piece. So really excited about this one. It's going in the office, so it's gonna have a lot of vibrancy, a lot of pop to it, a little bit of movement. Really looking forward to painting this one. So yeah, what are we waiting for? Oh, and for no reason at all. Bubbles. Let's go. So we're on to the living room section of this project where I'm going to be doing a series of saguaros. So how this section is going to differ from the others is that each blade is going to be uniform. I wanted to do something that's a little bit more simplified and doesn't distract from the space because she has a really nice living room with a lot of lovely earth tones and some really elegant greens. So I want to do something that's going to accent that and elevate that, and I'm really looking forward to doing this one. It's a little bit more of a simplified design, but I think it's gonna do the trick, so really excited. What are we waiting for? Let's go. Got all 15 fan blades painted. They pop, they're really vibrant. We want to make sure that they stay that way. So in order to do that, we're going to add a layer of Liquitex matte varnish. I chose the matte because it is the closest to the acrylic finish that was on the original blades, and it's not going to distract from the piece as a whole. It still does leave a little bit of a sheen to it, so if that's not what you're looking for, you're going to want to select something else, but you can kind of see what we've got going here. So this one has a layer of the varnish, you can see that sheen a little bit, and then this one doesn't have it yet. So yeah, we're gonna get the other 14 blades protected, and then we'll go get them installed. So yeah, let's make it happen. Alright you guys, that's the video. Thanks so much for watching. I had a blast getting to put this project together, and honestly, I'm a big fan. But more importantly, so is my client. These things came out really, really good. Each one fits the room that they're supposed to go in. They look gnarly, and yeah, it's a nice fit to the house. So once again, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, hit that like and subscribe button because I am trying to grow the channel. You can always follow me online at Mr. Downtown Phoenix for more cool content, always on the way. And if you want to scope out my website to see kind of what I'm up to, or maybe inquire about a project yourself, you can check me out at shinethroughart.com. Thanks again, guys, and as always, I will check you at the next project.